Full motion, what we call in the business a level D equivalent simulator. Because it's not a commercial simulator, we don't use level D totally, so it's level D equivalent. The Navy, the mission folks, were flying their mission aircraft, using up flying time, wearing the airplanes out. And also, they have a leased aircraft, the 737, that they're getting training in. And it's very expensive, and it also wears the airplanes out, as I said. So they wanted to get rid of the 737 and quit using their mission airplanes for training. What we hope to achieve is an extremely high fidelity rate, which means that we'd like to take 90 to 100%, as much as we can, out of the flying aircraft and put it into simulation. So in order to do that, the first measure is to instrument the flying mission aircraft and collect all of the characteristics over a given period of time off of the airplane, and we did that over a 1-year period. We then reduced that into code and software and build our models for our simulator. And in order to sell this simulator off to assure the Navy that it flies exactly like the airplane or as close as it can to the airplane, we match those curves. We actually put the curves that we collected off the aircraft next to the way the simulator flies, and they must be within a very close tolerance or we fail and we have to go back to the drawing board. Where we are today, the simulator is now ready to fly, and we believe right now we're sitting at the 80 to 85% efficiency rate of taking training out of the aircraft, and we're proving that through a certification process with the Navy.
This is pretty close to the real thing. It's the next step right below flying. It's as real as you can get. It's very accurate. Same exact instruments as you'll see in the airplane. It's mimicked exactly off of the aircraft, so a student pilot is not going to see any difference as he goes from the simulator to the airplane. It's the exact same. The same feel, same movement. It's a full motion simulator, so everything you see, everything you feel, everything you see, you're going to feel it. Every bump in the runway, every hard landing, all turbulence, you'll feel everything. It's huge. I mean, everything's going to simulators. We're cutting back. We're wearing out airplanes, and so we have to cut back on the time to training in airplanes and how much we're flying them. And simulators is the only way to go.